Hello, my dear friend. Myself, Dr. Ravindran Khade, Assistant Professor and Head Department of Zoology, led to Shri Patil Arts and Science College, Risod, District Washington. In the last 6 to 7 lecture, we already discussed about the first unit. In that unit, we also studied the respiration details, various aspects in circulation, in details, various aspects. Okay, today now we discuss the last topic under the respiration, transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide in blood and tissue. Blood serve as the transport respiratory gases. Oxygen, which is an essential molecule for each and every cell, is transported from alveoli of lung to the cell. Carbon dioxide, which is the waste product in cell and in transport from cell to lung. Transport of oxygen. Oxygen transport from alveoli to the tissue by blood in two forms. As simple physical solution 3% in case and in combination form. Okay, and in simple physical solution, we can say that there is the oxygen dissolved in water of plasma, 0.3 ml per 100 ml, about the 3% of total oxygen in blood. Poor solubility of oxygen in water content of plasma. During the exercise, this type of oxy transport is used to meet the excess demand of oxygen by tissue. In case of the combination with hemoglobin, oxygen combined with hemoglobin in blood transported as oxyhemoglobin. That is a maximum 97% combination HB सोबत आणि oxyhemoglobin 97%. Oxygenation of hemoglobin, that is the oxygen combined with hemoglobin in the process of oxygenation and not oxidation, does not change the appearance of hemoglobin. Oxygen can be readily released from hemoglobin when it is needed. The oxygen dissolved in plasma or red blood cell HB, oxyhemoglobin 98%, alveoli membrane can transport to the cell hemoglobin oxygen, hemoglobin oxygen dissolved in plasma, there is a cell O2 used in cellular respiration. Oxygen carrying capacity of hemoglobin. Amount of oxygen transport by 1 gram of hemoglobin. It is 1.34 ml per gram. Oxygen carrying capacity of blood. The amount of oxygen transported by blood. Normal SB contained in blood, that is the 50 gram. Since the oxygen carrying capacity of hemoglobin is 1.34 ml per gram, blood with 50 gram hemoglobin should carry 1.34 into the 50, that is the 20.1 ml percentage of oxygen, that is the 20.1 ml of oxygen in 100 ml of blood. In oxygen carrying capacity of blood, the 100 ml of blood and contain 20.1 ml of oxygen. This is the structure of hemoglobin where we see in last lecture when we was studying the pigments, globin and protein groups, heme, that is the protein group, protein and protein groups, iron, the saturation of hemoglobin with oxygen. Saturation is the state or it is the condition when the SB is unable to hold to carry any more oxygen. Saturation of hemoglobin with oxygen depends upon partial pressure of oxygen and it is explained by oxygen hemoglobin dissociation curve. Oxygen hemoglobin affinity for oxygen. Hemoglobin is saturated with oxygen only up to the 95%. The normal oxygen hemoglobin dissociation curve under the normal condition, oxygen hemoglobin dissociation curve is denoted as shaped, also called as sigmoid shaped. Lower part of the curve indicate dissociation of oxygen from hemoglobin. Upper part of the curve indicate uptake of oxygen by the hemoglobin depending upon the partial pressure of oxygen. These show that partial part of the oxygen percentage of the hemoglobin normal shift to left to right. Then factor affecting oxygen hemoglobin dissociation curve. Shift to right indicate the dissociation of oxygen from hemoglobin. When the shift to right, there is a dissociation of oxygen from hemoglobin. Decrease in partial pressure of oxygen. Increase the partial pressure of carbon dioxide. Oxygen the pressure is a decrease होना at that time. Increase क्या होगा carbon dioxide. It is more decrease. Increasing hydrogen ion concentration and decreasing pH, the acidity, increase the body temperature and excess of 2,3 diphosphoglycerate in RBC. Shift to left. In case of the right, we discuss left indicate the acceptance association of oxygen by hemoglobin in fetal blood because the fetal hemoglobin has got more affinity for oxygen than the adult hemoglobin, decrease in hydrogen ion concentration and increase in pH, decrease increase the temperatures, diversion, more effects is the effect by which the presence of carbon dioxide decreases the affinity of hemoglobin for oxygen by Christian Moore in 1904 due to continual metabolic activity in the tissue. There is a high partial CO2 and low partial O2 in tissue. The oxygen distribution curve is shifted to right. Then transport of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide transferred by the blood from cell to the alveoli. Carbon dioxide is transported in the blood in four ways as dissolved form 7%, as carbonic acid negligible, as bicarbonate 63%, as carboamino compound 30%. This is peripheral tissue CO2, then the blood, RBC here in case of kidney, then dissolved CO2. Okay, in case of plasma, this diagram shows that the various way details the as a result forms carbon dioxide diffuses into blood and dissolved in the fluid plasma forming a simple solution. What is the 3 ml of ml per 100 ml of plasma carbon dioxide is transported as a dissolved state. It is about 7% of total CO2 in the blood. Second thing, as a carbonic acid, part of dissolved carbon dioxide in plasma combines with the water to form the carbonic acid, that is the S2CO3. Or transport of carbon dioxide in the form of negligible in case of the as a bicarbonate about 63% from plasma carbon dioxide enter into the RBC, then combine with the water to form the carbonic acid. In the presence of carbonic anhydride enzyme accelerate the reaction. The carbonic anhydrate is present only inside the RBC, means uh, inside the RBC and not present in plasma. That's why a carbonic acid formation is at least 200 to 300 times more in RBC than in plasma. Then carbonic acid is very unstable dissociation into the bicarbonate and hydrogen ion. Concentration of bicarbonate ion in the cell increases more and more due to high concentration bicarbonate ion diffuses through the cell membrane into the plasma. Then four, there is a carby amino compounds. About 30% carbon dioxide is transported as a carboamino compound, and carbon dioxide is transported into the blood in combination with hemoglobin and plasma protein. Carbon dioxide combines with hemoglobin to form carbino, carboamino hemoglobins or uh, carbohemoglobins, and it combined with plasma protein to form carboamino proteins. Loose bonds so that carbon dioxide is easily released into the alveoli. Carbon dioxide dissociation curve, CO2 curve is that curve demonstrated the relationship between the partial pressure of carbon dioxide and the quantity of carbon dioxide that combined with the blood. Normal carbon dioxide dissociation curve, partial pressure of carbon dioxide, that is the carbon dioxide contained in the blood, 48 ml percentage, 52 ml percentage, 70 ml percentage, 40 ml Hg, 48 ml Hg, 100 ml Hg, oxygenated partial or carbon dioxide concentrated. Here this graph show that. Thank you very much.